Hi guys, I'm Melanie. Babe's in there. Babe, say hi.
Hi.
And you are watching this week's Road Talk Tuesday. We are packing up to leave the beautiful Chatfield State Park. This is actually our second site here because we loved it so much. But it may just look nice and green and fresh out there. But just a few days ago, we experienced our first snow in the camper. Come and wake up in Narnia with us. Enjoy the journey. Chatfield State Park is beautiful. It's got big spread out spaces, an awesome little playground, and snowballs. And we are headed back to the hiking trails that we walked yesterday when it wasn't snowing at all. It was actually warm.
Oh, it's too cold. It's too cold. It's too cold.
No. So Babe is up there getting the snow off the slides because our sweet Delilah she's an old gal, and we've started to notice that her rubber weather stripping is coming away. So we're just making sure none of the water seeps in. But otherwise, she held up really well in the snow. We have 2 electric heaters and then our propane furnace, and we stayed really warm. Camping in the snow, it's not so bad, especially with this view. This video. We would love to have you join the journey.